One thing that we do that's different from other business intelligence tools is we try to empower teams and users to be able to do the types of things that typically require a data scientist, a data engineer, an advanced analyst. And so by making software that's easier to set up, we enable all types of people, business users like myself who haven't coded in a long time, to build dashboards, build reports, set goals, do forecasts, benchmark their performance, etc. The way that we do that is kind of unique. We build these deep integrations where we define metrics that users expect to see in the app. Then we build dashboards and report templates that they can one-click add to their account. We make it very easy for them to set up goals, compare their performance to other companies, set forecasts, etc., without writing any code, without even looking at actually the raw data. So it's very unusual compared to other business intelligence tools.